Well, hello there. This is John O'Donnell at MarineMax Maryland, and today I'd like to take you through a beautiful 2024 Sea Ray SDX 290 outboard. I think you'll enjoy the tour, and love you to come down and also take a look at the boat when you have an opportunity. Thanks. So back here on the transom, we have a twin Mercury V8 250 horse Verado outboard. So you got a lot of power on board this boat for all your water activities. Got the dune interior and dune sea deck across the swim platform. Nice little sun lounger back here, which is really nice for laying out, entertaining kids. Love it back here. Notice the sea deck throughout the boat as well. The dune sea deck, dune interior. We've got a really nice large bimini top, and it's a manually retracting sport tower there. Got your fuel fill, little door there, secondary stereo control unit there, and also a 12-volt accessory plug. Got a handheld wand shower right here, comes out. Nice little galley here, little wet bar. You got your sink, little self-draining cooler storage where there's tops that go on top of there. Really nice though. You got your refrigerator down here. She's a 12-volt, so a nice new fridge. Nice stereo system on board. Underneath here, you'll see a nice big storage unit for a tremendous amount of storage since you've got the outboards on the back. Gorgeous teak table over here in the cockpit for all of your entertaining. Notice all of the cup holders as well. Storage midships, nice water ski storage down there. Storage throughout, actually. The Sea Ray always does a really nice job by creating storage pretty much throughout the whole boat. The command center over here, because we have the twin V8 250 horse, we do have a joystick. You've got your binnacle there. It has Mercury active trim on there for motor trim. Of course, your standard displays. It's got the upgraded 12-inch Simrad navigation display with your Bluetooth Fusion Sirius XM ready radio. In your head over here on the port side, really nice. It's a vacuum flush, very nicely equipped with a sink, little shower wand in there, and as I mentioned, a vacuum flush and a port in there for ventilation too, and a nice light switch, so it's not very confined down there at all. Your co-pilot seat over here, it does have the bolster. The bolster will flip down and the back can flip forward, so you'll have then a nice big lounger over here along the port side as well, for optionally for your co-pilot if they want to just relax. Walking through the windshield, you do have a windbreak door, and the windshield comes across as well. Up forward, really nice lounging area up here. Storage, insulated and self-draining underneath the seats on either side. You have armrests. The stereo zone up here is nice as well. Of course, your obligatory cup holders. Got the stainless steel anchor up here and your windlass underneath here, and there's also a water wash down up here as well to rinse off your anchor chain and your anchor line when you're pulling her in. But she's a beautiful boat, and would love for you to come down and take a look at her. It's a 2024 Sea Ray 290 SDX OB here at MarineMax Maryland.